Hari Om, everybody. I'm glad that you logged in. Today, there is some announcements. We will do the announcements after the initial prayer. We will start with opening mantra. ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्युषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः गुरुस्तोत्रम् अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः चिन्मयं व्यापि यः सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव गीताध्यानम् ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ततामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुद स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवै वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैर्गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततत्कदेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुर्सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः हरि ओम हरि ओम Before we start today, there is some announcements. The next Saturday, 13th, we are switching to Zoom. not YouTube anymore. The information to log in will come to you all. The technicians are working, Director Somnath, Sureshji, Anand Somalwar ji, Dinesh ji, everybody is working and they will inform you what is the procedure. And another thing, 13th will be the last day of the Gita class. And then we will switch to some Vedanta text only for summer. Because in normal time, when there is no corona, summer class is closed. There is no class for adults. So we will keep online studies going on with a small text like Atma Bodha, Tattva Bodha, or Saddarshanam is there, Bhajagovindam is there, small texts. If you are already familiar with those. So we'll have some text going on online. Which text we want your feedback. In YouTube, there is no way we can get the feedback. In Zoom, we will get this feedback. So we will switch to Zoom next Saturday, 13th June. And we are doing this because we should be in line with Balavihar. And we will pick up Gita where we left off in September or whenever August last or September, whenever the academic year starts, when the regular classes start, we will be still online, hopefully. Then, but we will do the Gita, the small text will finish. Another important announcement, Gita 365. I hope everybody has that on their phone. Swamiji specifically asked me to play 365 for that day. Each day there is a new sloka by Swami Chinmayananji, our Gurudev, and he tells that. So we will go through that. This you should download on your phone. Everybody must have it. Swamiji says that everybody listen to their own phone. I can play from this phone, but I'm not sure you will hear it. I'll catch it as close as to the mic. I hope you can hear, and you can also hear from your own phone. It is free app and very good.
क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा शाश्वच्छान्तिं निगच्छति कौन्तेय प्रतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा, an individual who has thus decided and turned towards me. In no time, Kshipram, quickly, Bhavati Dharmatma, he becomes the most righteous man in the world. Why? Once you have turned, you are functioning in the world without ego and egocentric desires. The one who is functioning without ego and egocentric desires is a Dharmatma. He is the most virtuous God. You and I are tempted to do evil only when actions are prompted by the ego and whipped up by selfish desires. When these two are not there, all action that spring out from you is the most gracious acts, bringing only happiness and glory to yourself and to the community around. It is when poisoned by your selfishness and your ego, then the actions become evil. Once you have turned it towards me in devotion, you are acting without it, from above the ego and the selfish desire level. Kshipram bhavati dharma. Very soon he becomes a sattvic person. No more is the old vasanas of sensuality ever prati. You become kind, loving, tender, merciful, affectionate, ready to sacrifice yourself for the benefit and joy of others. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma. And the dharmatma, mind and intellect becomes quiet. Because all the agitations were created by the desire, and you are frantic running into the world of OET, seeking the satisfaction in the sense world. That was the agitations of the mind. Such an individual becomes peaceful. When peaceful, the mind has become shanti, peace. Shashwat shanti, not peace that you and I experience. When I was very thirsty, I got a glass of cold water. Very peaceful. That is a satisfaction temporary. Immediately another desire will come. This is natural in the human mind. Here, it is not a peace that rises in you because of the satisfaction of a desired object, gaining a desired object. But it is the very Shashwat Shanti Nigacha. He comes to experience traces of that infinite peace, that thought understanding, glimmering in his bosom. Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, Pratijani, firmly beyond all trace of doubt, please understand. Pratijani. What? Name Bhakta Pranashya. One who is a devotee of me, he knows no destruction. In whatever condition you may be at this moment, broken, shattered, suffering, with a moral ulceration in your mind, each ulcer bleeding pus and pain and blood, you may be abominably a wretched creature, and yet the moment you turn towards me, Arjuna, please understand, beyond all traces of doubt, firmly understand what? Name Bhakta Pranashya. My devotee shall never come to any harm. He will be healed not physically. In his mind and intellect, all the ulcerations override. All the sins that you have committed have been healed. You become a hale and healthy inner personality.
So that was the message of Gurudev. Each day, each sloka. So today is Saturday, tomorrow Sunday, another sloka. Anyway, whichever that particular sloka for that day will play. There should be some way to show that video in the screen to everybody. In Zoom may be possible, but this is YouTube. So I don't know. I'm not a savvy, expertise in technician, but hopefully it will. So the next Saturday is a crucial input from you, which book you want, Atmabodha, Tattvabodha, Bhajagovinda, anything, and we will do that. And next Saturday we will have class, Gita class only, and we will stop at that sloka wherever we stopped. So coming back to Gita, where we stopped is 28. Excuse me. Sloka Avyaktadini Bhutani Vyaktamadhyani Bharata अव्यक्तनिधनान्येव तत्र का परिदेवना. This was 28th sloka of chapter 2. And we just started this in the last class, but we didn't go in detail. Ah. So in this one, Avyaktadini Bhutani. Bhutani was Avyakta. Avyakta, this phrase is very familiar with us, familiar with you. It's because unmanifest. Vyakta, Vyaktam, manifest. Avyaktam, unmanifest. So Avyaktadini Bhutani, unmanifest first, and then Vyakta Madhyani. Madhyani meaning in the middle. It is Vyaktam. It is manifest again. And it's because Karya Karana Sankhata is there, assembly of cause and effect. Ah. And the time of destruction, what happens? It is Avyakta again. So Avyakta, Vyakta, Avyakta. That is a sequence. And this you already this destruction is only for Nama Rupa. Not for the essence. It's been already told because Sloka 11 to 25, Bhagavan talks about Atma. The one who understands Atma, he becomes Akarta Abhokta. His true nature he finds. And there is no room for any shoga at all, no dukkha at all. So Atma is Nitya. 26 and 27 understand Atma from other point. You can say devil's advocate, Anatma perspective, even if you think as Anatma, Nityam, Nitya Jadam, Nityam Vasa, Manyase Mritam. If you think even he is constantly dying, then also nothing to worry. Nattam Solchum Marhasi. So Jadasya Dhruvo Mrityur, Javan Dhruvam Janma Mritasya, that also we told. There is birth, there is death, of course. And if you take Atma as only matter and Karya Karana Sankada, don't grieve. Arjuna, there is no point in grieving in any way you think. See? So that was here. So again, it was told that all relations in this body, physical body, Sushma Sharira, all put together is a Sankada, which were given different names. We have a different name this Janma and different name next Janma. Everything is Panchi Prata Panchamahabhuta, 5 elements anyway. So different forms and different names. Raw material is same. Understand? So they are not, once this body is gone, it is not available for transaction. That is what is happening. Avyaktadini Bhutani. And before destruction, in the middle, it is manifest for some time only. I'm here from the birth date to the death date, very few. In the event of the cosmic, so many millions and millions of years, the solar system and the Milky Way, everybody, everything moves about within a unison, within a prescribed orbital function. It runs because of what? That is coming in the next verse. So beautiful. I love next verse. We are so eager to go. 29. I'll tell you, I can't wait. Anyway, but we have to finish 28 then only. And 29 comes. So at the time of dissolution, they become avyakta. Gadasuna agadasumcha. Nanu sochanti panditaha. We learned that in the previous sloka. How many people die? Oh, how many people live? We don't know. We are not keeping an account. Now, because of Corona, the number has increased. Too many. The obituary column, people speak. So and so died, so and so died. Oh, idhar mar gaya. That village, so and so. That town, so many things, man. So immediately, first you look at the obituary column is, हमारा साथ वाला कोई है क्या? That is the first thing you look. Then you look for relatives, any relatives, or those who people we know. Hmm? Then everyone has, nowadays everyone has a phone and text and all thing, and always a texting message. So and so died. All the time there was no. It's only newspaper only. So newspaper you look in the obituary column. So many dies every day. We don't even grieve for them. It's okay. eh? Everything doesn't interest us. Aham esham mama yete. Shankaracharya says that only, mine only, relates what is related to me, what is affecting me. I am worried. Then it hurts. That pinches. That area we have to work. For that area, rest of the areas, we are Siddha Prajna. Somebody died, we are Siddha Prajna because it's not related to me. But when it hurts, when you know somebody, that pinches, that hurts. That area you have to work on. That's what Gurudev says. Eh? Only some, every day goes by, but only someday matters to us. How to work on that? For example, many people say go to hospital, right? They everybody every day going to hospital, but the day you go to hospital, that is the day. Oh, I have an appointment with. I have a surgery. Are baapre. So people who hear say, sympathy with you. All the best. You wonder what is going on there in the hospital. This is an everyday story in the hospital. People come, people get treatment. Somebody fell sick, they get admitted. Somebody discharged, they're okay. You just came today only. That day matters you. Why? Because that is worry me. I am sick. People go there every day. Do many, many things. Many people don't come back. We don't keep a track. We don't know even. This is all in the game. Everything is in the game. So Avyakta Shabda, you can take it as, how would I say, Maya. We can take it as Maya. You can take it as Brahma also, Avyakta. In Bodhini, both meanings are given. Bodhini Tika, when we were taught in ashram. In Stri Parva in Mahabharata, is given all women are lamenting. Why? Because most men lost their lives. Because men are in the battlefield and they died, thousands of them. Ah, they're unmanifest. Neither he is yours nor you are his now. Now he is gone, not available for transaction. See, I'll tell you one more thing. Gauda Bhattacharya in Mandukya gives very good explanation. Why? What he gives? He says what is there not in the beginning and that which is not in the end, that is not the reality. It is not there at all. Which is not there in the beginning, which is not there end. What is the use of being in the middle? It middle also not there. Ato antechana nas ena nasti vartamane abhi tattadha. Because adau avyaktaha, meaning in the beginning it is avyakta. And nidhanani I avyakta, meaning after this is avyakta again. Vartamane abhi tattadha, meaning they are vitat, mithya. Vitat meaning mithya in Sanskrit. Mithya meaning illusion. Ah, Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya, Shankaracharya's famous quotation, we know that. Ah, but we think it is not Mithya. This world, we don't think, we don't feel like this Mithya. Why you don't feel? That is the gap. Satyam is that what is told in Vedas, in Upanishads, in the scriptures, in all these books. That is what Satyam is. Uh, it says Jagan Mithya, Jagat is illusion, but we don't feel so. But actually, we don't feel because we look like it's a magic. A magic is a really wonder. I'll tell you something about magic. The magician comes to the stage. Everybody's sitting in the hall, right? And he takes a rope, a big rope, hmm, which is lying on the stage. He picks up that and he puts it up and stands still, like a pillar. It is a wonder how he does it. We know rope cannot by itself stand. We know that. But you know what is happening? What he is doing to make the rope stand? And sometimes he even climbs. Some magician they climb on that rope. So we wonder whatever cannot comprehend into the brain, it feels as wonder. And wonder is the next word sloka. I told you I'm of my favorite sloka. But let me complete 28 first. Mm. The important to dwell on this. This is magic. When we know what is the trick, then it is not a magic anymore. This is really a magic. How the magician does it. Don't worry. We'll dig about it later. We'll learn magic later. Okay. Now, very important to dwell on. So, Jagat Mithyatva, this applies to everything. Jagat Mithyatva, how to feel. When we know that they're telling the right. I have the faith in full in Guru Parampara all the way to Swami Tapovanji, Guruji, Gurudev, Guruji, Swami Dhirananda, everybody we believe in, we trust, and we even Shankara. Go back in before Shankara Vyasa. All the lineage we trust. We know they are right. We know Jagat. But that word Jagat Mithyata is not really into my brain. What should I do? The sadhana I do is to know that truth. We'll get there. Okay. Now, whether you take individual beings or trees or buildings or cars or any vishaya, like any objects, ah, my mood, the mood also changes. It was before avyakta and now it is vyakta. After some time, it will be again avyakta. Ah, Tatraga Paridevana. Why you worry, Arjuna? That's what he's asking. Paridevana meaning lamenting, like crying or weeping over it. What is there to talk? I am very nice. I was avyakta, I am vyakta, and I will be avyakta one day. Eh? One day somebody will carry me to the burial ground because I cannot walk. But consciousness in me is left. I want to help them. I want to help them and walk myself to the burial ground. But I cannot because Chaitanya पहले से चला गया. So they have to carry the body. Then it is known as body. No, it's not called Vijay Kumar anymore. It'll be body. Because I cannot walk, so they carry me to the burial ground. Ah. So all forms, Manushya, Devatas, animals, anyone, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, you name it, falls into this category. Ah. They are available for Vyavahara for some time. That form in which you thought is real, that it's not anymore there. That Vyakti individual itself is gone. No more available for Vyavahara. So not only that, that form is not available in future anywhere. That person whom you are talking, joking, we wonder. People, oh, मर गया. Yes. क्या हो गया? मर गया. What happened? Some reason you say heart attack or cancer or something you name into that. You have to do some name, some reason should be there. You wonder what happened. You may think, I am this age and death will not come. You think. Huh? Death does not give an i- intimation earlier that I am coming on so and so date. Healthy, walking, talking, joking fellow suddenly disappear. And that fellow in bed for years. Mm, continue. Have you ever wondered? Some people just die suddenly, no reason. Okay. And at the same time, some people are lying in bed for years, months, years, tube everywhere, is not aware of anything in the hospital. We feel, he himself feel, let me go, but does not. Is still breathing. We also feel condition is pathetic. Somebody needs all the time, 24 hours, attention is needed for that person. We think what happened? All these things put together, we think what is happening? Why this suddenly going and not going and all things? What is this? How do you relate to this? How do you sum it up? It says, mun karma bhala, mun janma karma bhala. He has to go through that the karma, whatever it is. So he is living in that body. The other person, his prarabdha karma is tuck, is finished. This body is useful for exhausting vasanas certain type, certain time, and that time is finished. Go from here. That is why different age people are living. Now you get Vedanta. I'll tell you, Vedanta has answers for all your questions. No question unturned. Every question has Vedanta has answers. Why how it is happening, why it is this jiva happening, what is karma or karma bala. Everything is in Vedanta. There is nothing outside. I love Vedanta because of this only. One reason. Every of my question, it is answered. So Vedanta comes handy. Somebody asks you, we keep talking. There is no impact on this. Knowledge will make impact when we see life. When shock comes, we understand the value. Maya utpatti sthiti karanam. As you see, it is going, gone. In this entire world, they say it's a projection of the mind. Hmm. This is really not there. We start to believe this does not exist. I feel it real. That is with this mind mala. Impurity in the mind makes this happen. So see, it is holding. It's like example was given. It's like holding water in your hand. You take water in the hand and squeeze it. You feel it is there because it's wet. Hand is wet. Then you open. There is no water. Anitya vastu you cannot hold on. Only feeling will be there. Mm. You open your hand. There is nothing. You know water was there because it is hand is wet now. Or this the whole world running around this thinking that it is real. Can you this is the biggest mistake they say. Panditaha says it is a mistake. We think it's a real. Huh? In in Kathopanishad, Samsara Vriksha is said, huh? Mundaga Paricha Logan. Mundaga Upanishad is said Paricha Logan. In Chandogya 6th chapter, Acharyavan Purusho Veda. So many in Upanishad, it is repeated, same thing told in different ways. This body is called as chalti ka naam gadi. That which is moving is called a car. Someone is asking, how are you? You say, well, it's going on, meaning it's going on. Car is also running. It will stop one day, and this body will stop one day in middle of the road without prior intimation. For wise people, their viveka is alert all the time, 24/7. There is a difference between Sthita Prajna, Jnani, and ordinary person. And the Jnani portion is coming end of chapter 2. Sthita Prajnasya ka bhasha samadhistasya keshava. Arjuna is asking a question. For every question, Arjuna is asking patiently. Lord Krishna is answering. Have you noticed that? He's so smilingly answering. No matter he is repeatedly asking. Doesn't matter. He will still say, keep on telling. In Vyavahara, all transactions should be based on love. But love should be with Viveka. That's what he's telling. You think people want Viveka? You think so? No. They want love. Knowledge, no one wants. If we have knowledge, we understand love better. You understand that. With the knowledge you love, the love becomes beautiful. Without knowledge you love, it is mere love. It will finish one day. It's not there anymore. Hmm? It will turn to be a lust. When grief comes, we don't know how to get out of it. Nobody wants knowledge. For example, I'll tell you. How many people logged in here? I can see 26. Yeah, 26 people. Others people want to join, but there are so many other things. This session is kept for Somnath, especially attendees. Somnath 3 session goes over 300 to 350. 100 plus 60, no, 100, 300 plus 100 plus 120, 400, 500, almost close to 500 people. All the 3 sessions. Now out of that 27, 20, oh, now 27. Where are the others? One, they are interested. They may be attending different classes. They may not be attending any classes. Oh, Saturday evening. Oh, Saturday evening I have this thing, I have thing. What? For Anitya only. You put all this together and see this Anitya world I am running around. For what? To understand this, very difficult, very rare. And the value of knowledge, again, verse 29, is coming. People ask, what is Brahma? What that cannot be explained by Pramanam. Brahma. Why Brahman is not comprehended. Whatever you comprehend, whatever you understand is mithya only. For example, this rope and snake example you must have heard so many times. When the rope is not understood, there is snake. Because I did not comprehend the truth. Until then, I'll keep on seeing the snake. Something else. Misunderstood Brahman is Ahankara. That ego in me, ego in you, is called Ahankara. Jagat Mithyata, don't feel sad or mad that, that you did not realize or something. There are so many in line. But you are better because you chose to be in this class today. Congratulations. My hearty congratulations to all of you. Now there are 26 people. It's going up and 27. Sometimes it's 26. Somebody is trying to log in, I think. Anyway, my hearty congratulations to all of you. Whether you are listening, you're turning this on and turn it on and put go somewhere else, whatever it is. My abhivadyangal, my abhinandanam. Because you have a desire to know what is said in chapter 2. That's what you are listening. And next week is Zoom. In Zoom also, you can choose without video. So you don't see other, at least you are in your pajamas. Nobody want you to see you. So it's okay. So I will do without video, only audio. I want only sound. It's up to you whether you want sound or your Vish- Vishwarupa can be shown to everybody else. Whatever dress you are wearing, whatever makeup you are doing, you are no. Oh, I have to do makeup. I have to do color my hair. I have to do dress for this video. So that's why I click without video. All this anitya. I told you just now. All this work for anitya only. But this now Vyakta Madhyani Bharata, why you worry, it says. These Kauravas were they were before 100 years. Unmanifest. Where are they now? They are here to fight. Huh? Avyakta Nidananyeva Tatraka Paridevana. Why, Arjuna, you grieve? That is Krishna's question. Life is a expression, it's a short period. When you come to this stupid state of complete distraction, O Arjuna, it is not worthy of weeping. That's what. Krishna came from the highest, explaining that consciousness and explaining that objects of the subject, then coming down in the ladder step by step to, to a level where Arjuna can understand. This is to communicate, to become incompetent, unable to face the situation. He is worried. He is laying down. He is not able to lift the Gandiva. His mental condition is so worse. This is all Krishna says it's an expression of ignorance. So in any case, either continuous in birth, any case you think unmanifest before, manifest now, and again unmanifest at the end, not to worry. And Jada se Dhruva Mrityur, whoever dies will take birth. So Bhagavan says, play your part. This is the stage set for you. You play your part, do your duty, and get out fearlessly in honest life. Shankara says. Now, the self just spoken, very difficult to realize. I agree that. Why should I blame you alone for the cause? Very good. Ignorance is common to all. Ignorance we plenty. Ah, we are all qualified to get ignorant. Ignorance we already have. How is that self is so difficult to realize? Somebody may have this question. So that is verse 29. My favorite verse. It has come. Uh, verse 29, chapter 2. If you have the book, you look at it. आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवत् वदति तथैव चान्य आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्य शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित्. This has a different tune. You must have noticed that. Why this a different tune sloka in Bhagavad Gita? Same tune. Dehi nityamavadyoyam dehe sarvasya bharata. Again, same tune. Same tune. You feel sleepy. This is Gurudev's, Gurudev's words. Huh? Suddenly, Acharya was, what happened? You wake up. One reason is to wake you all up. Different tune. Another reason. Number two. So much data is to be conveyed in one sloka. Now, regular meter, Dehi Nityamavadyoyam, Dehe Sarvasva, in that it will not fit in. So, more information has to convey to you within 4 lines. Not 4 lines? Yeah, 2 lines. 4 segments. 4 pada, we say. Huh? So that's the reason. Anyway, Acharyavat Pashyati Kachidenam is a wonder. Pashyati, see, one sees as wonder, another speaks as Acharyavat Vadati, meaning speak. Hmm. Speak as a wonder. Tadaiva Chanyaha, meaning even that one. And another Acharyavachainam Anya Shrunoti. Shrunoti, hear. Another hear this as a wonder. Having heard, what happened? Beautiful. Last pada. Very good. What is that? Acharyavachainam Anya Shrunoti is the third one. Fourth pada is Shrutapi Enam. Veda na chaiva kaschit. None understand this at all. One sees as wonder, one hears as wonder, one speaks as wonder. Eh? Kathopanishads, chapter 1, section 2, mantra 7. Brahma Vidya, rarity of Brahma Vidya is explained. Eh? Shravanyabhi bahur na labhyaha shrunopi ta bhagavo yam na vedayuhu आश्चर्य वक्ता कुशलो सत्ता आश्चर्य ज्ञात्वा कुशलानुशिष्ट श्रवण्याभि बहुबीर्यो न लभ्यः शृण्वतोऽपि बहवो यं न विद्युः which says that आश्चर्यो वक्ता कुशलो से लब्धः of him many are not even able to hear. Even to hear him, they do not comprehend. Like Lavana Maharshi was telling the other day, I will show you, but you cannot see. What is that? You show me. I will see. I will show you, but you will not be able to see. That language. Brahmavid, communication to non-Brahmavid people have this gap all the time. Find a teacher who is teaching the self-knowledge. He says, Ascharyo Vakta Kushalosya Labda. This is Kathopanishad. To find a student who is able to comprehend Ascharyo Jnata. Ascharyo Vakta. Vakta meaning the one who speaks. Means the teacher. It is Acharya to find a teacher who teaches Brahma Vidya. It is same Acharya Jnata who desires to know the truth. Really a wonder, he says. And so when the significance of life is a display of dissected, you observe, you analyze, oh, this is what it is, A, B, C, D falls this way, then the fear goes away. And to some people, Ascharyavat Pashyati Kaschidenam, they wonder. I thought it is complicated, inexplicable, aprameya, incomprehensible. Never thought it is so simple. A real wonder. When you resolve a mathematical equation which is very difficult, say, think of your college days or school days when you were struggling with it, and say finally you did it. Is it not a wonder that you did it? It is happiness. Imagine this creation also. How many people speak of freedom and transmigration because of the sixth defects? Jayade Vardade, Vibritamane, Abachiyade, all this. True seekers are very few. Are you in the list? If you are, very good. Liberation is a wonder. People wanted to get rid of sorrow. Everybody wanted that. Even those who are walking on the street who are not attending this class, they also, if you ask them, you want to get rid of sorrow? Yes, they will say. But transmigration, not sure. That is a difference. They want to remain here. They want to resolve these issues, their problems, but they want to remain as a body in this loka. Then what they do is they move paristhidivadi. Our teacher in ashram used to say they are paristhidivadi, meaning they resolve some, move here, move the problem there. Uh, Birth, old age, sickness, that has to be there. A disease and death will be there. That they cannot avoid. You cannot have perfect health all the time. Hmm? Weather problem. See, something which is not in our control will come. See, the weather problems are not there. Eh? Asna pibasa is there. Asna pibasa is the defect with the human body. What is defect? It is Sanskrit word for hunger and thirst. Asna pibasa is with us. Panchikrita Panchamahabhuta Sharira will have this hunger and thirst. Think if they are not there. I was thinking, suppose Asna pibasa not there, hunger and thirst, no more working. People will stop action at all. Because no Asna pibasa, that is there which makes me go forward, which makes me grow the sharira. Ah, this get old and decay and die. I will get old and decay anyway, whether I eat. And some days are conducive, some days are non conducive to me. What to do? I live with it. This is this what life is all about. We have some imagination of sorrow free life, some idea. Ah, but there are few true seekers who is struggling, who is fighting, who is putting effort in knowing what the true nature is and struggling for liberation, where there are very few. They are there. Some people are there. Is a wonder. Acharyavat Paschadi. It is still in the 7.8 billion as of last week. 7.8 billion people in this earth. How many struggle for liberation? Just imagine. Very few, isn't it? Congratulations, you are in the queue. Thank you for coming and listening to the lecture. Eh? But it is a wonder that few people are there. Itself is a wonder. Bhagwan says this at this time. And Bhagwan said this when? 5,154 years back. Even now, there are people seeking to get out from this mess. I call this mess. Huh? It's not any wonder. Acharyavat paschadi kaschidenam. Acharyavat padadi chadaichanyah. Acharyavat manya shrunoti. Shrutva edana kaiva kastide. Bhagavan Shankaracharya wrote this is in Bhajagovindam. Parame Brahmani Kobina Saktaha. In his time, no one wanted. He was like 4th century, 5th century, 6th century, whatever time he lived. Ah, imagine a abnormal, stalwart personality like him. There was nobody to know whether he's free to give. He was ready to give. He gave speeches here and there. Wherever he went, people gathered. But in that time also, very few people were there, he says. Eh? So now we have some. It is Acharya, isn't it? It is a wonder. Ahaha iti Acharya. First, there is Sataka of truth. Whenever there is a Sataka for truth, it's a wonder. Bhagavan says. So, any time, any age, any period of time, if there is some people who want to know the truth, who want to get out of this janma mrityu samsara chakra, that is a wonder. And second, if there is a teacher available to impart this knowledge, it's an ashcharya. Brahmavid, Shotriya Brahma Nishta teacher we look for. eh. But if there is a teacher available, to have a teacher like the lineage, Mahatmas, our parampara, all the teachers, we are fortunate to have them, isn't it? Means someone is going to speak about it, someone is going to tell the story about it, someone is told the story of Bhagavan. You say Bhagavatam listening, even Bhagavatam listening, how many people come? Very few people come. The Vakta, it is told, the who speaks is Vakta. It is a wonder. In general, you ask what people want to talk about. In general, huh? Or to hear about. General, they may be talking weather. अभी सडनली पता नहीं रेन आ गया. Oh, it is cold today. This is supposed to be hot summer. This is June month. यही बात. Or they will say politics. We have president who is doing this thing, that thing, or riots everywhere. अरे क्या हो रहा है? What is happening in America? That is one topic. Uh, Another topic, movies. अभी what happened to the movies? COVID-19. अभी हो सकता है because shooting has stopped or whatever. That is the topic. Or fashion, or sports, gossip, or talk about others. Huh? Not themselves. They will not talk about themselves because they themselves they know they are ignorant. They will not want to put in front of everybody. They are ignorant. Whatever this topic, whether politics, sports, fashion, anything, it's all anatma only. Atma, nobody wants it. Anatma only. What happened? Two, three people standing. She slowly said, Arey, what happened? Arey, what happened? Two other people also come. Their ears are thirsty to listen. क्या हो गया? क्या बोल रहे हैं? Did you hear that? Hear what? Immediately we have the thirst to know. Tell me. Oh, what happened? What happened then? You know what? Really? Really? See, this Laukika Vastu, Anatma Vastu, Anitya Vastu, people are very much interested in listening. Ears are uh, thirsty for that knowledge. Whether in politics or sports or whether or for Artha Kama only. So there is someone ready to listen Atma knowledge. Among this group of people, if there is one individual who wants to know Atma, isn't it a wonder? It is Acharya only. So Shishya, a wonder. Guru is a wonder. Third thing, teaching itself is a wonder. What subject you are teaching? Atma. Self-knowledge. हम भी है. He will also sit down. That is a wonder. In this world, in this time, YouTube is full of gurus. So many gurus talking about so many things. Ah, everybody is transmitting their viewpoint, but tuning to them is very few. They go to YouTube, but so many other things will come up. Movie, this thing, cartoon, sports, whatever. Systematic method of teaching Shastra, Atma Vidya, Guru Parampara system, following that through Adhyaropa Apavada Prakriya, it is a wonder. Systematic teaching is not taking place anywhere. People may want to hear, but without a process or a method, how you will communicate? You will just say here and there. That is not teaching. Guru, Gurukula, 12 years earlier, many years times ago, children used to go to Gurukula, Guru's house. They stay there and worship. Ah, that is replica has been transformed into 2 years in Sandipani. I should say Sandipani education is almost equal to Gurukul, not equal to Gurukula 12 years, but condensed version, thinking of that Supreme, thinking of Brahman, and the way they impart. The Acharya is so chosen so that he is capable of telling what he knows to the students. Students are very eager, and non-eager students will go automatically. We started with the 95 people in the class. At the end of 2 years, 60 people. What happened to the remaining 35? Just like the flowers, petals go down, it go down. It is not vidhi, this thing. It is not written in their stay and destiny to listen to this and complete the course. Completing the course is a blessing. Uh, Not only that, you are away from your comfort zone. I have to have this, I have to have this, I have to do this, I have to do all those comfort zone is gone. You're ready to sacrifice this. For what? For knowledge of Brahman. And our Acharya says Brahman, Akarta, Abhokta. You are Brahman, you are that. Always repeatedly telling, hammering in our brain. When we say that there is some Akarta, Abhokta, Atma somewhere, he will get mad. It's not there. It's not Atma, some Atma sitting somewhere is Akarta, Abhokta. No, that Akarta, Abhokta is myself. That he want to emphasis. He want to make sure that we feel, we abide, at least in our during our meditation time, we think constantly and sincerely, we believe in that and we pray that. That makes a student successful student. And these people may want without a process or method, it's not possible. So this laid out processes is very good. Upanishads are there, Bhagavad Gita is there, every sloka, Shankara commentary is there, Shastra, Acharya, Upadesha have meaning. This teaching, I'll tell you, this teaching which I am doing online, I am using Swami Bodhatmanji's comments and Shankara's commentary and Gurudev Swami Janmayananda's commentary. All the three mixed, only some certain parts of each of them of the taken and telling you. Because if you only follow one, it may not be possible to grasp the truth. You may not understand. So some stories, some parables here and there will tell and mix. Some COVID-19 we mix that news also, which makes interesting. Ah, then you listen like that. We mix and give. Put everything masala together and then give you food. This is what is. And Shastra Acharya Upadesha meanings. There are teachers teaching Shastra. Mm. They all the YouTube I said you so many teach gurus are there. They are teaching from their experience. So Anubhava. So Swamiji don't tell us Shastra. Tell us your experience. To to listen to experience is very nice. You know, your freedom, you talk to this, you talk to this, you had this experience. Seeing a snake on a rope is also an experience. Anubhava is not pramana. That is not what Swami Bodhatmandi taught us. In six pramanas, Anubhava not there. Anubhava is not a pramana. Anubhava is telling your experience, that's all. Shruti is our pramana. Anubhava in accordance with the pramana is valid. If your experience is in line with pramana, in line with Shruti, then it is valid. The parampara, that is still going. Our parampara, Chinmaya mission parampara, going on for years. It will it will sustain for years. How? Why we say? Because that parampara is based on that pramana. Pramana is based on the shastra, and it is valid. That's why it will sustain. Otherwise, it will wither away. Ashrams, viditwas, shastra adhyanam is going on. And this is a wonder. According to prescribed procedure, shastra teaching going on, that is also a wonder. Hundreds and thousands of ashrams are everywhere. If you go to India, there are Uttarkashi, there are so many, Rishikesh, Haridwar, everywhere there is ashram. How many ashrams Brahma Vidya is taught? You ask, or you come, you you go there and ask, hmm, where Brahma Vidya taught? Not very many, very few. Many ashrams, brahmacharis, they do other sevas. Hmm. No Brahma Vidya. Brahma Vidya mushkil hai, very difficult. Either you will be doing some seva, gardening, cleaning clothes, or cooking, or serving, or um, something will be doing, but not teaching. Our Gurudev was a master, a visionary. In the name of ashram, so many other things going on also. Not in Chinmaya mission. No way. So many ashrams are teaching yoga, Ayurveda, manufacturing products and selling them under different brands, orphanage, all are good. But teaching Brahma Vidya is a Ashcharya. Bhagavan says, in new area you ask, is there an ashram here anywhere here? You ask somebody, eh? Is there an ashram here with Brahma Vidya taught? They will say no. Even in Pawai, close to Pawai, you ask, somebody asks, they don't know. They don't know that ashram exists there. But same time, if you ask a club or a hotel or something, oh, there is a five-star hotel in one side of the ashram, they will say yes. They are immediately they will point. There is one. They know this. Brahma Vidya, what Brahma Vidya? Nobody knows. Nobody want to know. The number of people, you know, one time Guruji said this, very important. Guruji visited many times during our course from Pune. He came. One time he came, he was taking some text and he told this point. What is that? Whenever Bhagavan wants you, he puts the thoughts in your mind. Then you remember him. That is mutual. See, whenever Bhagavan wants you to, this person should remember me, that thought comes about Bhagavan. We do bhajans or we do kirtans or we do meditation. Something we will do to remember him. So that is a signal sending from Bhagavan to us. I was actually Ashcharya was like that. You know, it's real. So this Brahma Vidya is such a thing. Even if it goes next door, people don't know because first of all, you can say according to Vedanta, samskara is not there, vasana is not there. So it is a seeker. The seeker who is interested in Brahma Vidya and want to know this is a Ashcharya. Huh? When you think this is about wonder only, next wonder is pramana. Is wonder not finished yet. So many things. Means of knowledge. Which way they talk about Atma. Eh? Look at Ishavasya. Tajjedadi tannejadi taddure tadandige. Who is going to understand this? Eh? Which is near and which is far? Eh? Anyadevo, Vididat, Avididat. Every Upanishad will come with such mantras, which does not ring any bell. Through that, they are revealing the truth, of course. Achindya, Viditva, unthinkable. Tatra chachur nagachadi, na vag gachadi. That which ears, eyes cannot reach. Eh? Yedo vajo nivartande aprapya manasa. That one. This yatta yena dhanu shishyad. We don't know how to teach. There are people who knows but doesn't know how to teach also. It is a wonder we have a teacher. It's a wonder that we have a pramana. It is a wonder that we have a means of knowledge, and they still teach. It is a wonder. They saying avang manasa gocharam. This is beyond the perception of BMI, body, mind, intellect, and the sense organs. Go on talking. Don't you think it's a wonder? It is a wonder. So Brahma is also a wonder. The greatest wonder is Brahma itself. If someone asks, what are you studying for 2 years? Somebody asked me also that day. "Oh, I heard that you were somewhere in India. Yes. You were doing some training. Yes, I was training. I was what you were studying? I was trying to understand myself. Are you don't know yourself? अरे मुझे पूछता था. I should have told you. You are Vijay Kumar. You don't know. Forget. He thinks that I am the limited mind intellect. I wanted to know my real me. That's why I wanted to do the course. Hmm. So he actually took 2 years to know yourself. उसने पूछा. It was wonder for him. आश्चर्यवत पश्यति. हाँ. And I was also trying to tell him what is Atma, knowledge and all. He is not ready to listen. He said, why you went? You wasted your 2 years. That is what his argument was. Did I waste my 2 years? I don't think so. That is the best thing. It happened to my entire life. Is the Vedanta course. How to say in more plain language. It's a wonder it happened to me. So he said, to know this, you went to ashram. Are bapre. He feel pity on me. Other people pity. Many people condemn me for teaching Gita 30 years ago, 33 years ago, I think. 87. 87, I started teaching. What happened to you, Vijay Kumar ji? As if something gadbad happened to me. क्या हो गया तेरे को? सुना तुम गीता पढ़ा रहे हैं? They think Gita is for old age. जब everything is goes away. अरे कौन है? आइस भी गौन गया. कौन क्या बोला? कान भी गया. एक एक करके it is packing. Gurudev says, what happened to the eyes and ears? It is already started packing. See, when you move out, you start packing, right? The boxes. And after moving for months together, you don't open some boxes. Same thing happened to me also. Now I'm ready to move from this house. Anyway, he says it is packing. Eyes are packing, already packed to go. दूसरा जन्म के लिए. And if somebody realizes this truth, it's a wonder, isn't it? If someone doesn't realize, that is also a wonder. Those who are here, see how many 26 people are here, isn't it? Those who are not here, also a wonder. For so many reasons they could not come. That is fine. But if they are trying, using their life, this corona time, COVID time, locked inside the house, cannot go anywhere, cannot interact. You also work from home, everything from home only. That moment you can turn this into knowing Bhagavan. You can still participate on the online satsang. What a wonder. This is a wonder, isn't it? Acharyavat Pachadi, isn't it? So, if they are utilizing it this way, their life is worthwhile. We think we can get away from knowing the Vishayas, enjoying the Vishaya. Fine. There are Vishayas, utilize them. Just don't go after that. Don't depend on that. You feel free. I am that supreme. All the time. When we interact with anybody else, that supreme self is in me. Even though I cannot, I will not say experience, because experience does not come. Because the Triputi, experiencer, experience, experienced, all goes into zero at the time of moment of realization. We'll talk about realization later. Very interesting how realization happens. How the realized master have a different viewpoint. That is in chapter 2 in the end. So Bhagwan says he doesn't blame Arjuna. The whole world is like this. The whole world is running behind Anatma. 5,154 years, eh? And we are still the same. Eh? No different. Both Indra and Virojana both went to know the truth. You know the story. The story was told Abhaya or Acharya in the class. The sadhakas also different variety, like different types of people. Hmm? Different type of people signed up, logged in to this for listening to this. And some are wondering, Acharyavat Paschadi Tachidena. Like you tell others. Asabdam, Asparsham, Arupam, Abhadyam, uncontradicted reality. There is such knowledge. It's a real wonder. Eh? But somebody listening is also a wonder. Speaking about is a wonder. Somebody thinking about is also a wonder. Shrutvapi enam na kaschid vedaha. You understood? Yes, I understood. What they understood, you don't want to know because they have not understood. That they hear Atma, 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 morning to evening. So many satsangs are there everywhere. Atma, you know, they get bored. When this Atma will come here again? Bhagwan, you say you look up only. But whenever you say Bhagwan, look up. You think somewhere far, he residing somewhere far. People have some idea God is something, somewhere, some entity. Ah. When you ask how, well, there is no answer. What is your concept of God? If you ask this question, everybody will say different things. Some people don't have an explanation. They think Bhagwan is sitting in the temple or somewhere higher ever. And this is to know that it is your own true nature. It's a wonder. When you heard the first time Vedanta, you thought some Rama, Krishna somewhere, you know, my Bhagwan, my Krishna, my Rama, some bhajan will be there. What is, this Nasha, Pardhanasha, Pragvamsa, Pradam Swabhava, all these things is not making any sense. This is becoming a wonder. This all point towards that reality. Only when you come back home from the class, you talk to some people who did not attend the class. Say you attended this and you went and talked to somebody by mistake. You say it happened. Then they ask, what did you learn? And then you ask, you know what life is? You ask them, what? This is what you learned? You tell me what life is. According to your words, they get confused. Mm. Then you go through all this. constant birth, constant death, without any intervention body, power than manifest, supporting the jivas, back to unmanifest. This is what his life is. You know what? हाँ, he gets wonderstruck. अरे ये पढ़ा क्या तुम? ये पढ़ा रहे हैं? हाँ? अरे you learned so much within short time. You speak wonder. Srunoti, it's a wonder. Vatati is a wonder. Everywhere, everyone teaches as a wonder. Most wonder. Srutvapiyanam na kaschit. Huh? Even after listening, they don't understand. This sloka is very beautiful. I have to tell some more about this sloka. I will tell in the next class. Okay. Now it is a time 8:15, and we will conclude. And one more thing, one more request. Concluding mantra, I told you, should be a meditation. Meaning, what you do during meditation should come here. That bhava should come. Thanks to Bhagavan for giving an opportunity for me to listen to Bhagavad Gita slokas. I heard this sloka many times. So many things I did not learn. I did not know, Bhagavan. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to listen to Bhagavad Gita. Thank you. That bhava should be there. Take one long, deep breath. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि Om. Hari Om. And thank you very much for all those who logged in. And all the best in your spiritual journey. I wish you all the. May Gurudev's blessing be with you. May Gurudev's blessing be with you, with everyone. Thank you very much. Hari Om. See you next Saturday. Thank you. Hari Om.